Whales are key contributors to the support and sustenance of the global aquatic community. Some benefits for the ecosystems include transporting nutrients from deeper waters to the surface through fecal pellets and providing food and shelter for certain species of fish. This process is sometimes called the whale pump and assists in the stimulation of growth of materials called phytoplanktons, which are microscopic plants found in sea. They also have carbon stock, which is further held in whales' bodies. When those animals pass away, the calcium carbonate, which is the main component of their shells, falls to the bottom of the sea and stays there. This phenomenon, known as whale fall, is an important process that not only removes carbon from the atmosphere but also creates a food for supporting deep-sea life.